Have you ever looked at the beautiful flower border and thought, where do I even begin? If so, this video is for you. Today I want to tell you about 4 plants that I consider my starter kit for whenever I'm creating a new flower bed or flower border. I love Lush borders and really cottage garden is my style, but it takes time to add all of these flowers to your border to really create that effect. But you can start with these 4 and instantly see a huge transformation, and then slowly add the plants that really speak to you, and so you can create your own work of art. So the first one on my list are, of course, roses. Roses are simply amazing plants. These 3, and I have here Olivia Austin, Gentle Hermione, and Young Lycidius. I purchased them at the nursery last fall, so we're talking somewhere around October, and today is May, and they're already reaching 3 feet high, and just a month ago they were completely trimmed down to this level. So what's amazing about roses is that they will fill in very quickly in the season. By May you already have full shrubs. More importantly, they will start to bloom like literally any moment now. Some of my roses are already blooming, and they will add instant appeal and throughout the season in your garden. Next one on my list is Spirea. There's a great variety of this shrub. Many come in very different colors. This one has like a deep green leaves, little burgundy on the side, and it's gonna soon be covered with dark pink flowers. And I have another one that has like a lime green colored leaves and light pink flowers. The reason why I love this plant as a starter plant is that it fills in the border beautifully. The darker Spirea is a great backdrop plant. The bright, smaller one is a great accent plant in front of the border, and they require little to no maintenance, so you can focus on creating your cottage garden. So the next one on my list is perhaps a bit of an odd choice, but that's Juniper. When I started with my first border, I still wasn't really sure what I was doing, and this was one of the plants I first planted because it was a good foundation plant. And then when I started adding more and more flower beds, I realized that something was always missing, and what I was missing was Juniper. Not because it has a beautiful color, which it actually does, but because it is a wonderful backdrop plant to all my other plants. It's almost a plant that you don't see. It's like the background that you don't recognize it's there, but it's transforming every other plant and the entire border into that lush, colorful, wonderful place. The final 4th plant is the ornamental grass. The grasses simply add the whimsical, the soft, the wavy feel to the garden. It's a beautiful companion plant for pretty much anything, especially roses. Here it looks just gorgeous against the Spirea arborvitae. Naturally, the grass will look its best in the fall, but even now, some of them already show their beautiful colors, like this one. Here they are together. As you can see, they already fill in the border nicely, but plenty of space to add your special perennials. Like I added Star of Persia, lupin, bronze fennel, peonies, alliums, and the list goes on and on. If you like flowers, garden design tips, and just watching a garden come to life, subscribe to my channel. Happy gardening!